Sukhinder Singh Cassidy, welcome to The Business.
Thank you so much.
At Xero, you have a huge overlay of small business in Australia with 1.8 million subscribers. How are you seeing the sector performing?
I think Australia continues to show overall resilience, so do the small businesses that we serve. I think what we continue to see is, although we have strong cloud penetration as new small businesses come online, opportunity for them to continue to digitize and start on cloud services from day one of their journey. So overall, very pleased with sort of the overall environment in which we operate, and the small business economy here seems to be continuing to thrive despite macroeconomic fluctuations.
Yeah, are you worried about the risk of an economic slowdown or even a recession resulting in small business closures?
Well, look, I think like everyone, these are our customers, so we want them to thrive. I think we think it's pretty essential, though, that they have the tools they need to get their hands around not just cash flow forecasting and cash flows, but even to get things like invoices out faster and get paid faster. So we can't control the macro, and neither can they. But what we can do is help and ensure that they are responsive to the macro and able to manage their cash flows better, and we think that's our job.
You've announced more price rises taking effect from July. Why?
Well, interestingly, the bigger part of our announcements this week were not price increases, they were the simplification of our plans. And one of the things we fundamentally believe is that it's important that customers can come in and without too much complexity, choose the plan that's right for them and bundle more features and functionality in it. So the far bigger announcement this week was actually the simplification of our product ladder. And we think that sets us up and small businesses up to have an easier time as they come into Xero to choose the package that's right for them.
Well, I believe prices are up almost every year since 2018. Is it easier to raise prices in the Australian-New Zealand market where there's less competition?
No, I don't think this is really about competition. I think when we look at our pricing in any given year, it's really about the value we're providing through our products and making sure that we are well priced for the customers we serve. So I don't think this is about the market dynamics. I think it's about the value we deliver. And that's how we think about it year on year.
When we look at subscriber growth, it slightly missed market expectations broadly. Were you happy with it?
We were happy with our subscriber results. If you recall at the half and then again at Investor Day, we really chatted about the fact that Xero is aiming for high quality subscriber growth. It's not subscriber growth at all costs. It's about getting the right customers on the right plans at the right time. And in fact, balancing subscriber growth with product penetration and ARPU expansion. And so I think when we look at that story and our strategy, we feel pleased with our results.
Now, the big topic at the moment, I suppose, is generative AI. Xero is really experimenting with this to enhance customer experience. What's the feedback been so far?
Well, we have yet to release our product to market. We showed an early version of JAX, Just Ask Xero, to our investors at Investor Day, and I think the feedback's been very positive. I mean, really the thesis of JAX is we already do a lot of traditional AI and machine learning, is to take those conversational interfaces to wherever our customers are doing their work, whether that's in email, whether that's in text or WhatsApp, or whether it's on the Xero app, and really making it easier for them to access features and functionality and automate more tasks by using JAX, our AI agent. So early feedback from investors positive. We really think it's important to get that out to customers this year and then really start iterating based on their feedback.
But of course, Xero has been using regular AI for quite some time.
You've got it. Somebody asked me earlier today, well, when are you going to be an AI company? I'm like, we are already an AI company. AI powers everything from inputting bills and us scanning them to auto-categorizing transactions, which is our bread and butter. So we're already an AI company, but really looking forward to continuing to invest and experimenting with conversational AI.
Your annual report shows that full-time employees fell by 15% in the period. Is there any correlation with investment in AI?
No, none whatsoever. The decision we made to adjust our headcount was really based on right-sizing the size of different functions and teams. We took that decision early last year, and there's no correlation between our use of AI internally and our headcount.
Sukhinder Singh Cassidy, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much for having me.